Hello everyone, myself Dr. Rahul Peddawar, CEO, Diva Patil Hospital, Nerul, Navi Mumbai.
One, I've known you since 2011 when you came here as a lecturer. So for me, obviously, it's a shocker when I followed you today कि पहले कैसा था और अभी क्या हो रहा है. So for me, it's a drastic change.
Okay.
So for me, also it's a journey which I don't know about. So one, did you always know that you wanted to be a CEO? Did you know this job exists for a doctor? या फिर ये आपका हमेशा से प्लान था? या you just stumbled upon it?
See, what you plan, you never get.
So you never thought of this?
Never, and at this age, I will get this post was the
Youngest.
dream to
Come true.
Yeah.
I get it.
So actually, I have from my
You were the
right
president
from
of
the
MARC.
beginning. Yeah?
For Maharashtra Association of
Yes,
Resident Doctors.
when I was in JJ, I was the president of MARD Association for first JJ. Then
तो ऐसा मतलब
next year
science थे?
थे. No, science thing is I don't know what science, but yes, whatever work I have taken in my hand, I see to it that I dedicatedly put my all efforts.
और ये यहाँ पे आके सर, when you were in FM department, how did you this?
Basically, if you'll see why I resigned from the KEM is what I found that I was losing a lot of my daily hours in the traveling. So and I was in a private practice also. So I used to do. I have a lot of attachments like industries like Hiranandani. I have done my AFIS, so I have do a consultancy as far as these industrial zones are there. So I was doing that, and with that, doing every day in KEM and
You can take it
working was difficult. So what I thought ki because my all industries where I was a consultant was in Panvel, Rasaini industrial zone. So which is the nearest medical college where I can. So that's why I have joined over here. My prime intention to develop my own practice.
Acha. It was nothing about getting into administration in DY Patil.
Yes. But when I joined over here, I was focused on only in teaching. Like all our other professors.
और हम लोग सबको
डराना
डराने का काम.
मैंने कभी नहीं डराया. I used to be very strict what the student supposed to do. See, as a student.
You were known as the IPC man. आपको मालूम है? अगर नहीं मालूम मैं आपको आज बताता हूँ कि वाइवा में अगर कोई आदमी सिर्फ आईपीसी पूछता है रैंडम चीजों का भी जिसका शायद आईपीसी नहीं भी लिखा हो वो सिर्फ आप थे.
अरे बाप रे.
वो सिर्फ आप थे.
Thank God today.
So you were known as the IPC man at least till my batch.
Okay, good. So that time the main concentration was only teaching, academic, and then do my private practice. But that also I used to do dedicatedly, as you have seen compared to other professors or lecturers.
You were always there.
Yes. So,
but वो ऐसा प्राइवेट नहीं हो, ऐसा हर जगह हर लेक्चरर प्रोफेसर एक ही बिरादरी के.
So but afterwards slowly my involvement started when Dr. Shirish Patil sir and that time Dr. Angadi microbiology professor used to involve me in a lot of other things like arranging training programs, medical education training programs for the staff, faculty.
सर आप स्कूल में क्लास में मॉनिटर थे?
Yes.
मेरे को लगा.
That was my passion. Means always I don't know people usually like me, why I don't know, but now you are saying they fear also. But I don't know why they have to fear if they are up to.
For us sir, आप ऐसा गुमराह आदमी होता है ना जो अपने को मालूम ही नहीं था कि सर क्या कर रहे हैं. सर अकेले दिखेंगे कहीं यहाँ पे. सर फिर कभी रात को 11 बजे नेचुरल्स आइसक्रीम के बाहर मिलेंगे और जहाँ भी आपको दिखा है अकेले दिखा है. तो मैंने अभी जो वो शॉट लिया ना जहाँ पर आपके पीछे 12 लोग चल के जा रहे हैं तो मेरे लिए वो ऐसा बहुत अजीब था. You get it? There was a transition where I have seen Rahul Pedawat sir at Naturals Ice Cream at 11:15 in the night जो आप काम खत्म करके वापस जा रहे हैं. है ना?
So that time I was a bachelor, na. So whenever I used to finish my studies, if you are aware, I used to study in the first floor library outside that over. And that time I was doing a lot of my courses, MBA, then industrial health में, industrial health में I was doing a lot of thesis and my studies are going. That's why I used to stay over there. जाते टाइम बोर होता है तो पाम बीच पे से निकालने का और एक नेचुरल खा के घर पे सो जाने का. But now
So
over
then,
the period
okay,
of time,
co-curricular activities with Angadi sir and Shirish Patil. और वहाँ
from
से
where
फिर
they started, then everybody, I don't know anything extra. Whenever a work burden used to come,
हाँ
catch hold the Rahul, he will do it, put on his
he's the
head.
go-to man.
So whether it is a NAC, UGC, any inspection, audit,
किसी
MCI
मिनिस्टर
inspection,
किसी भी मिनिस्टर का विजिट हुआ जो भी हुआ हाँ
so put it on Rahul.
put it on Rahul.
So Rahul ने ना नहीं बोलेगा तो
हाँ.
ठीक है. And
फिर स्लोली स्लोली आप एफएम में दिखना कम हुए वहाँ ज़्यादा दिखना शुरू हुए.
एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन में वहाँ से बेसिकली everyone I come to in highlight when we did successful NAC in 2014-15.
Okay. So that was your,
I
you think that
handled
was your
everything single-handedly as far as medical college and hospital is concerned. And yes, obviously Shirish Patil sir, that time Dean,
Now he's the vice chancellor.
he was always supporting and pushing me, get it done, support wherever I required, help me in the troubleshooting.
So it's been about 1.5 years of you being CEO.
Yes, 1 year and 3 months.
है ना? हाँ अभी just oh my god nice. And in 1 year a lot has happened and it's like a movie from someone who's sitting in the library and seeing you from the perspective.
So I should ask you a question. You are here since last 5-6 years.
उससे ज़्यादा ही अब तो
So
मतलब I was
you from right
working,
first year till the.
हाँ.
So you must have seen. You should tell me whether there is a change in the organization.
Your change one okay obviously I feel like when I was even working in COVID I realized we are much faster than any government place because सुबह को surveillance होता था सुबह को कुछ प्रॉब्लम होता था तो शाम के सर्वेलेंस तक वो प्रॉब्लम
सॉर्ट आउट
होता था. लाइक मैंने अमित सर को बोला था कि इंटर्न्स वार्ड में जाके ट्रेसिंग क्यों करेंगे डॉक्टर्स रूम में वहाँ पर कंप्यूटर आ गया तो हो जाएगा. शाम तक कंप्यूटर वार्ड से निकल के अंदर आ गया था.
राइट.
सो थिंग्स बिकेम स्मूदर फास्टर इन द हॉस्पिटल एवरी ऑब्वियसली वन. हाँ ये तो अलग ही है कि देयर इज अ चेंज इन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन कंप्लीटली एंड एवरीथिंग. And then we've now, from what I've heard from you, is we've made 225 ICU beds
exclusively for COVID.
COVID से पहले कितने थे अपने पास?
80. That तो नॉन कोविड
80 थे और हम लोग ने ओवरनाइट लिटरली 1-1.5 महीने के अंदर
1 month within 1 month
225 ICU कर दिए which no one has. I don't think anyone in Navi Mumbai has 225
not
ICU.
even Navi Mumbai, all over Maharashtra any hospital doesn't
Even
have.
Nair and KM don't have.
Nair must be अभी now for because of might be COVID but overall ऐसे
आप नायर के थे ना?
Yes. UG is Nair.
थोड़ा तो बचाएंगे हमने.
But if you'll see the hospital which is doing all COVID and non-COVID work simultaneously and with dedicatedly so much of work with
so much of workforce also.
So we are the I think topmost in Maharashtra. If you'll see our recovery rate, how many patients we have treated. So till date we have almost treated 3,900 patients of moderate and critical category with death rate of less than 2.5.
Oh.
And when we have a patient flow of critical patient right from Mumbai, Panvel, Raigad, Alibag, Thane. It's not just Navi Mumbai patients are coming from and all critical bad patient in the last stage.
Yeah.
Still we are able to manage our death rate below 2.5.
Two people I want to mention is Sushant and even Saurabh. Shubham.
They are administrators. Yes.
24/7 they are taking every doctor's
Not only Sushant, Shubham, there are almost 10 to 15 administrators who are working from March 24/7.
Without even
so Omkar, then this Pallavi, Amit, all these Liba, all these people, all but administrators are.
Every leader selects a team. Did you always plan this for the last 1.5 years? Or?
Yes. I think if you'll see, there are many people's you must have seen first time. So I personally see to it that whoever is joining.
You find your people.
Yes.
You picked up.
That is it.
अच्छा, तो पिछले
without team it's not possible. So much of work.
So much of I think understanding also does not happen.
Required. Yes.
Yeah. Okay, now पिछले 1 साल 3 महीने में one surprise package when you were announced as Rahul sir is becoming the CEO. One, I didn't know that position existed. ठीक है, तो फिर दूसरा then I saw you and I'm like whoa, this is मतलब बड़ा stage था. उसके बाद then slowly within a
what was the reaction?
मेरे batchmates मैं आपको बता दूँ
eligible है कि नहीं, अरे इसको कैसे क्या बना दिया ये तो
eligible है कि नहीं, तो ये तो नहीं था. आप तो MD थे ना, तो we always thought MD is always a level where I think you're eligible to do that. But हाँ, we didn't see you in picture. When we were in UG, we didn't see you the guy who's in the picture at that time. जो उस टाइम पे I'm not naming them, but थे कुछ जो ऊपर घूम रहे थे, and they were not to be seen. Then suddenly we heard Rahul sir has become this. So it was whoa, ये क्या हो गया? happy change because anyone that you've been, who's your teacher, becomes someone like this, then it becomes अरे मैं जानता हूँ.
Right.
Same reaction, mine. Okay. In 1 year, one, that drastic change happened. 2, 1 साल तक तो कुछ नहीं था, COVID नहीं था. I think you were just doing organizational
changes and MCA.
Suddenly you got hit with COVID, and then the happiest day of your life together.
Right.
Because I know you just became a father.
Right.
Were you scared because you knew you cannot avoid being here? है ना, because I don't think a CEO के position पे वो भी 1 साल के अंदर you had the pressure कि if I don't come here तो और
कौन करेगा, right?
What was your reaction? How did you deal with that? Maybe tell me the day you became a father and you knew उस time COVID तो चल ही रहा था.
Right.
What were you thinking at that time also?
In that time, the priority was definitely to give some time because we were engaged 24/7. It was the completely new challenge in front of us. And at that same time, see, pregnancy was planned 9 months before that time, so we never thought कि at the time of delivery such situation will arise. But whatever my intention always, whatever challenges come in front of me, I take it positively.
You don't plan, na? You
Yes,
go and
positively.
do whatever the day is.
It's just one example. So many challenges every time erupt during your course of journey. So once your mindset and your body language decide कि it's just you have to pass on this. Take the decision, appropriate decision to tackle that challenge and just go on. But same time I got the positive support from my wife, my
And
family members.
yeah.
So yes, you are
Was the
engaged,
biggest
but
job.
yes, yes.
Yeah.
You just help out in getting delivery, arrange everything for that, to make necessary arrangements and make sure that at least delivery get
तो
smoothly
आप
done.
जब यहाँ पर प्राइम पे चल रहा था और जब आप वार्ड्स में, तो were you still staying with family or were you taking like
No,
isolation?
first 2 months I was completely staying separate
Acha.
flat which I have.
And now there is a system in place.
So and then see, family also register staying so much so
Yeah.
many, and by the time COVID finished, my son will not recognize his father, so that was also
Yeah, concern.
So see,
Because
this
you
is
were
a very-
isolated from family, was it a reason कि आपने सारे
Yeah, for
पुलिस
yes,
वाले
yes.
लोगों के लिए उस टाइम पे शुरू किया था?
Yes, so, and safety and see, unless and until your leader is on ground, nobody bothers to respond, especially when such a situation where there is a challenge and there are chances of getting yourself infected and you are risking yourself. And at that time, if your boss is behind the screen, they will see, हाँ देखो हमको आगे डाल रहा है, हमको मौत के कुएं में ढकल रहा है और खुद
कल्टी
मार
मार
रहा है.
So that you
So
didn't want to
nobody,
do that.
I may not have got the response what we have, which we have received in the last 6 months. And as far as team is concerned, Dean Madam, Rutali, and all our administrators were always there to support you.
Yeah, I keep seeing
And,
Rutali ma'am and Dean ma'am also running
so
everywhere.
that change which we brought in last 1 year, that helps us a lot during this period.
Yeah.
So in first 3 years, the team building, then cracking all the MCA inspections, and major gain was increasing our PG seats from 80 to 160. That helped us now because we got lot of resident.
So all the residents are now
all
on
250
yeah.
UG seats ka inspection which was pending since so many years. We cleared that. So that moral and
cardiology is now recognized.
Yes, recognized.
Yes.
Super specialty, nephro, neuro, all these
They're now
courses we
recognized.
added. So our confidence and team building was already done. So it's the only to face the challenge, this new challenge, and make sure that my worry was everyone should be safe and healthy while working in the COVID, especially the staff, interns, resident. The most difficult and worried part was nobody should get infected first, and even if they suppose somebody get infected, he or she should get recovered as soon as possible. Nobody should go. Otherwise, one incidence where I am losing somebody will give a very wrong message to everyone, and everyone may have gone into fear, and everyone may have gone on the back foot as far as giving the service.
And that happened with you initially, when COVID started. Because I was a part of it. I remember.
So you know how much I have to counsel tutors, interns, residents, every day we were doing almost
because everyone was in fear. There was no
10
system.
to 15 meetings we have to conduct to put the protocols and to get rid of this fear factor.
But it's now a lot more stable. I mean, service-wise.
Stable you cannot say because
no, not in the sense patients coming in, but I'm talking about
yes,
as organization.
The system is in place, but still because so much of addition of the ICU beds. So running one ICU bed is almost equal to running 10 normal beds. If you know the manpower, excellence,
people needed.
Technical people like intensivist or nursing staff which is required is
immense.
Very immense.
Immense.
It is difficult and get in this situation where anybody is not ready to work in hospitals, especially right from mama, maushi, patient care staff, security.
I want to ask you a question which is going to maybe like which people may ask in the end. But sir, as you said in the beginning of the interview, at such a young age I got this. It was like a dream come true. One that you didn't even dream. And वो हो गया. Have you thought now what next? Ever? ऐसा brief. May it be not be in DY also, maybe somewhere else. But have you thought of it?
Yes. See, it's not like that ki I have dreamed CEO, but there were dreams previously also becoming a CEO to develop my own practice, take that to a level where people will start recognizing my services, where I have almost reached, but suddenly the role has changed, where I have to just compromise that and then take over this, because I found that over here I can give much better services through my administrative and my other skills. I can reach lot of people can reach me over here than as an individual guy when I do something.
So you're more accessible
yes,
now.
and when you have a backing right from Vijay sir, all the management, all the staff, faculty, interns, the only thing is you have to take them in confidence. What I have observed, I also work over here in last 4-5 years. What I have observed, previously it was happening, people was not used to taking their colleagues, their whoever is working under them in confidence and then go ahead.
There was a gap between the administration and the people.
You must have observed,
which is not there anymore.
So I am approachable to Mama Maushi also, and I am approachable to professors also.
यहाँ तक कि intern सबके पास आपका number
है. सबके पास मेरा number है. And I am the known face. ऐसा नहीं है कि new face I am coming from outside and then sitting.
So everybody knows 2011.
Yes, 12.
12. हाँ, yeah.
And I came from right from the you can say ground, na. So I know the ground of this.
You came here as a lecturer.
So I know the how deep I have to drill the things and build the
and that's true with any organization, not just this.
Unless and until you know the organization, you cannot work. That is going to the rule for all organizations.
Sir, आपके मर्द की कहानियाँ कुछ हैं? मर्द मतलब महाराष्ट्र एसोसिएशन ऑफ रेजिडेंट डॉक्टर्स. Because okay, one हम लोगों ने
this is not MART, that is MART.
MART. You were president of MART. Yes. So everyone जो भी JJ से भी आया, मेरा खुद का बैचमेट जो वहाँ पर साइकेट्री में डिप्लोमा करने गया था, everyone just told us कि अरे तेरे को मालूम है राहुल सर का यहाँ नाम है प्रिंटेड, ठीक है, या फिर ये राहुल सर को जानता है, ये राहुल सर को जानता है, अरे तुम राहुल सर को जानते हो, वो DY चले गए, पहले यहाँ पर थे. So that आपने वहाँ क्या किया था?
In that phase, I usually that is yes, touchwood, it's God's gift you can say. Wherever I works, whether it is JJ, KEM, Hiranandani, people identify me with names eventually over the period of times. Even if I post something on Facebook and so you will see the comments. अरे तू उधर था, उधर भी माहौल करता था. That period, 2 years when I was doing a PG and JJ.
आपने strike organize करवाया था?
We did the first successful strike where we for resident doctors, especially the stipend, the living standards which
stipend कम थे,
and we didn't used to get the facilities like accommodation, proper accommodation, food, water. There are a lot of issues.
So you organized that strike?
Yes.
Back in which year? Do you remember? Back in which year?
2009-10. So that was the first strike where the stipend from 10,000.
Water gun fire हुआ था शिवाजी पार्क पे interns और इन लोग के ऊपर.
Yes. So
my sister was in Nair and she was in
and
that
it was went for almost 10-15 days and
yeah मेरे को याद है.
we fought like warriors at that time.
फिर बड़ा था ना 6 से 12,000 हुआ था कुछ और.
No, it went from from 10,000 to 35,000. That
For
was the
president.
first hike where
And you organized that.
I was not only me at that time. I was the only president of JJ, but there was a central mart also from KEM, Nair. A lot of people were engaged in that. But yes, JJ was the face of Maharashtra as far as medical college or hospital is concerned. So what JJ will say, everyone usually follows.
Yeah.
So at that time, I was the
president of.
And there are a lot of changes we did even there. It's not only just strike. See, strike.
Strike made you famous.
Famous. You cannot say. In fact, strike give you a bad name also.
नहीं सर आप उस टाइम के कन्हैया कुमार थे.
That's what I'm saying. Kanhaiya Kumar has a more than positive
he has negative
bad
also.
names.
He has negatives also. Yeah,
because see, making a strike, okay, you are doing it, but at the same time you are giving a suffering your services. You are stopping your services.
You are stopping your services.
So sufferers, patients may have lost lives also. But that was a decision of Central Mart. Because the things were so much of in a haywire.
Yeah.
कि nobody is bothered. हाँ चलो कर रहे तो and we thought of कि बाबा नहीं, somewhere it has to be addressed. Many resident doctors that time, if you have seen from especially Sion, KEM, has died because of pulmonary coughs at such a young age.
Because of the living conditions,
their food quality and all that. And then only because of that, then all the hospitals started giving free breakfast to all the residents before going to
that was not the case
duty. So nobody should go empty stomach. That we make sure that every resident has been given enough breakfast, quality breakfast, where egg, banana.
These were all that you conducted at that time.
Wow. And that went over a period. I don't know now what is the situation, but because of that, lot of positive environment was created, and then again lot of activities over the 2 years we conducted over there, like celebrating of Resident Day. There are a lot of resident means 365 days 24/7 working just like a
dog.
So there was no extracurricular activities or any other activities
which
where
is also
the
necessary.
bonding between the resident and teachers used to happen.
Yeah.
Only that department के वो रेसिडेंट उसको डिपार्टमेंट अपना डिपार्टमेंट पता रहता था, बाकी कुछ नहीं पता रहता.
Okay, so I'm gonna frame a statement. Tell me how much you agree to it. One, because I don't think this fits on you. मेरे को किसी ने बोला था कि डॉक्टर्स बाहर की दुनिया से बहुत परे हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि वो 11th के बाद से सिर्फ पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, आकाश में, एंट्रेंसेस में, इसमें घुसते हैं, फिर MBBS में, फिर उनका दुनिया हो जाता है हॉस्पिटल कॉलेज या फिर चाय सुट्टा जो भी चल रहा है आजू बाजू, है ना. ये खत्म होने के बाद वो निकल जाते हैं वापस पढ़ाई करने के लिए रेजिडेंसी के लिए या फिर UPSC के लिए या MPSC के लिए. तो सिचुएशन सिर्फ ये लाइब्रेरी और यहाँ घूम रहा है, फिर घुस जाते हैं रेजिडेंसी में, फिर जो आपने बताया 24 घंटे यही कर रहे हैं, उसके बाद और कोई दुनिया नहीं है, फिर निकलते हैं काम करने के लिए. तो जब वो काम करने निकलते हैं ना, जो पैसा आता है, जो पैसा नहीं आता है, या क्या करना है, दे आर कम्प्लीटली अनअवेयर. एंड देयर वाज नो, क्या बोलते हैं, देयर वाज नो एक्सपोजर ऑफ एनी डॉक्टर टू द रियल वर्ल्ड आउटसाइड till
they actually come out of the
that cocoon.
Yes,
and then
that is true.
And then सब लोग बोलते हैं the sharks like corporate hospitals will eat you up. They make you feel like अब आपको पैसे मिलेंगे कि नहीं मिलेंगे, अब आप पैसे के लिए काम कर रहे हैं. So do you think 90% of the people who pass out MBBS in India are like this? And is there anything that you think you want to do to change it now when you're in a position when you can? Finally you are at a position. इससे पहले तो मर्द भी एक student organization था. And maybe what you just said, sorry. अब जो भी बोल रहे थे, sounds like कि extra curricular लाना है, ये करना है, उनके situations change करने थे, people dying of pulmonary coughs. Now you are at a situation where you can make such changes. That integration of doctors in normal life, apart from them being in this cocoon that we are living in for 12 years at least. Do you think now you want to, will you, or do you plan to now?
Yes, definitely that will be.
But you agree कि हम लोग ये cocoon में रहते हैं?
cocoon में नहीं, cocoon में रहते हैं means we ourselves has made this cocoon. It's not somebody has created for us.
Yes.
वी आवर अपब्रिंगिंग हैज़ क्रिएटेड कि नहीं अभी तेरे को ये सीईटी क्रैक करना है,
हाँ.
ये सीईटी क्रैक नहीं करेगा तो तेरा कुछ नहीं होगा.
हाँ.
तो जब 12th का सीईटी क्रैक करते हो तो एमबीबीएस में आ जाते हो. देन एमबीबीएस में देखो तेरे को फर्स्ट एमबीबीएस क्रैक करना है तभी सेकंड ईयर जाएगा, नहीं तो
हाँ.
तू 6 मंथ का बैकलॉग बैठेगा. देन
हाँ.
तेरा बैच आगे जाएगा, वो स्ट्रेस.
हाँ.
सेकंड ईयर थर्ड ईयर ख़त्म करते करते कैसे ठीक है. स्टिल इन यूजी डेज you are not that much mature to understand the outside world, but the same time, yes, along with the book knowledge or you can say education, medical education, we are not exposed to you can say outside world, like MBAs or engineering students
As I
who are
said,
posted in the actually in the
हाँ.
different
We thought
hospitals.
CEO तो एक MBA होता है.
Yes, yes.
Exactly.
So now there are modifications coming in the even medical education where actual more than book knowledge, the skill knowledge, practical knowledge has been given more stress you can say. That is very important. What I have observed, you can read 100 books, but at the end the practically what is applicable and not applicable and how you is going to apply this on the patient, everything depends on actual your exposure with the patients or with the environment. It's not just patient, it's also important how you speak with your colleagues, how you speak with your nursing staff, how you handle the mama maushis. See, even if you are a good doctor and if you cannot manage the relationship with your colleagues or your team, it's
You're a failure.
fail. You are going to fail, because even if you did a very good surgery and after that suppose your team makes a small mistake in that, the whole purpose of surgery and all efforts which you have taken
Goes for a toss.
toss. For example, a plane, creation of the plane may require n number of peoples or n number of processes, right, from small spare part till actual building. But suppose somebody has not properly fit one screw somewhere or did some small mistake somewhere in the, so whole plane will get crashed. So right now the full not only medical education system but whole Indian education has become such a disaster for our own young generations ki they are just limited by, or you have been imaginary boundaries has been created as for them, which they also are not recognizing till very late after 30s or 30 age of till 35, when actually the things should start moving according to your. So by the time you recognize all this, everything has been already, you have wasted so many years. And then people will go into a depression, then they get frustrated, अरे इतना करके भी मेरे को I am not getting anything according to expectations. And it's not just money, there are a lot of things. Money तो will automatically flow with your efforts and experience efforts, but apart from money also there is a work satisfaction, your general.
So your satisfaction is more important than the time it takes you to get what you get.
So whenever I have taken a decision, more than money, I have seen that what I am doing, whether I am satisfied in that and whether I am enjoying that work or not. Just for somebody is saying or somebody has shown you a picture ki after doing this you will be like this or you will be like this. So what is happened? If you do DM cardiology, see, you will become a X person who is
but that
you don't know, yes, you don't know that X person he has reached that level. So there are 100 DM cardiologists, but everyone cannot be that X person. I don't want to
in any field.
So it's depend on individual to individual. They have to identify their own weaknesses, their own positive points what they have, and then accordingly they have to mold their self what better and better things they can do for themselves, their family and their community.
Nice. So we'll end it.
No, 2-3 questions. So जसे की आज आम्ही बघितलं, like we have the third person perspective right now, okay? पण आम्ही आज बघितलं की तुमचं schedule, like you go to each wards ओके आम्हाला थोडं इन्साइट देऊ शकतात ॲज अ थर्ड पर्सनसाठी नॉट पीपल whom you know बट फॉर द पीपल हू डोंट नो व्हॉट एक्झॅक्टली इज हॅपनिंग इनसाइड त्यांना माहितीच नाही आहे तर तुम्ही त्यांना कसं बोलू शकतात की तुम्ही तुमचं दिवसभराचं कसं असतं की तुम्ही किती किती वॉर्ड्समध्ये जातात कसं जातात
See, I don't plan anything. So, whatever feedback I usually get on a previous day, I register that feedback on my somewhere on the in the corner of brain. Then in the night before sleep, I just analyze how I can solve these issues, and then whatever I probable solutions I think of during the sleep or previous day night, then next day morning when I come, I start accordingly. So they may be wrong, they may sometimes they hit 100%, but sometimes they may not hit 100%, they hit around 50-60 or sometimes 0 also. So every day whatever problems, whatever complaints, whatever dissatisfaction from the patient's relatives, whichever reach to my table, or whatever the tasks I am supposed to do to improvise or add on the services, or whatever my internal, my organizational goals we have, then accordingly I align my day. And then I usually once I come, I then start calling, आज पहला task इसको है तो फिर then we call that person, then accordingly I plan the rounds. It's not necessary कि tomorrow also I will go to same wards. Tomorrow I may go to somewhere else, or depending upon the situation.
कोई CEO wards में नहीं जाता है
everybody says like that, but then they are not CEO. I will not take you cannot see what you see and what you hear sitting at your cabin. Maybe a completely 360 degree when you actually go and see on the ground.
Situation कुछ और ही होगा.
And practically the people who are doing that, you will not able to see in which condition they are working and what are the problems they are facing.
Yeah.
And see, and as a CEO, yes, as a boss of organization or head of the organization, everyone has that fear factor. अरे बाबा इसने catch किया तो गए.
हाँ.
तो that fear factor somewhere you have to have that discipline, that hierarchy, clarity between ki baba, yes, if something is going wrong, I will not going to tolerate it. Even that person is XYZ. So that people has understood over the period of 1 year कि
मैं बहुत उछल कूद के आया था, और फिर मैं जब आया ना तो पहले आधे घंटे में ना आपने 3 लोगों को चिल्ला दिया मेरे सामने, तो मेरे को सडनली मेरे वाइवा वाला दिन याद आ गया कि मैं आज अभी खुल के इंटरव्यू करेगा कि नहीं करेगा, मैं क्या पूछ रहा हूँ. सो आई अंडरस्टूड व्हाट यू आर सेइंग. सर, ओके, आई थिंक वी गॉट इनफ. आई एम गोना आस्क माय क्लास. ओके, गो अहेड.
So the first time when you heard COVID, like this virus is gonna enter our country or started, what was your reaction, sir? Like natural reaction, what was it? Like, were you prepared for it? Were you knowing that this is gonna increase in this way?
No, we were never prepared when actually first case was detected. But yes, in my mind, and even a lot of time Vijay sir also used to say ki now this is going to be a big challenge for India because the demographic and the way we.
But कितना बड़ा किसको पता है?
नहीं, we were the way it was moving in the other countries. The stage is going to come here also. That was very clear, unless and until some treatment, concrete treatment or vaccine used to come. So this is going to go beyond this also. That is very much known to everybody, especially the people who are from the background, this medical background, because they know virus is, see, nobody can stop the virus. You have to just take the control measures, and you have to once infected, you have to plan the treatment, because it is not right now we don't have any solution to control spread of virus. You have what you are seeing in last 6 months, even after so much of education, today also we are not using masks, we are not taking sufficient precautions when we are seeing so many people are suffering, because that is a tendency, human tendency, especially the Indian population is such a vast population with such drastic different living conditions where people there are a lot of other issues, like everyone has to travel for a job. They cannot sit at home for a long period. For example, Mumbai, see how many days, how many months we are going to keep our trains shut. Now you are seeing the condition on the roads, even from Kharghar to Nerul. Even if everybody start using their private vehicles, it's not possible. All roads are now full with the vehicles, so some or other day trains has to be started. Then what will happen? The condition definitely going to be worse than what is today.
Yeah.
What was before the lockdown and what is today definitely is going to get worse. So now it's only time will tell, but yes, we have to see the future and we have to prepare ourselves. That's why we from 50 beds, no, for overall we having a 50 beds per, but COVID we were having only 10 beds when we were in March. From March now in the August, September, we are at 225 ICU beds. So that is the planning and the requirement, and with COVID, with
3 महीने के अंदर
so number of patients which we were catering on in March was hardly 25-50 patients. Now we are catering 600 patients in a single. Right now 600 patients already admitted in our hospital with moderate to severe symptoms. So those asymptomatic, mild symptoms, so it's we don't know the numbers. So
No.
with such a big organization, you have to consider all the probable outcomes, what will happen in future. And I think this is the great you can say lesson which we should, if we have taken some message from this, we should prepare, we should improve our healthcare system to a extent. Any mass disaster or any such natural or unnatural, any calamities, we should easily able to face
Disaster
it at least.
management
Yes,
hoना चाहिए.
yes, which is not in place.
Yeah.
So what do you think about those PM care ventilators? Because we just recently saw those ventilators.
So there were problems now, so that's why we are taking the calls. Now we are using our own ventilators only rather than, but where there is no ventilator available, all the our 40 to 50 ventilators which are of good quality, if they are engaged and some patient is coming, so instead of denying, let's put on that PM care and then use it.
Yeah. Okay, so let's end it with, sir, what is your advice to just general public about COVID and prevention and what they should follow at home? And also, do you have any funny incident which might have like which you laughed about for a really long time in the last 3 months?
The response of interns.
Yeah. From, you know why? Because 12 दिन का कोविड ड्यूटी करने के बाद जब मैं बाहर निकला था ना, अश्विन was driving me back home and लॉकडाउन नहीं खुल रहा था, लेकिन शॉप्स खुल गए थे, लोग बाहर घूम रहे थे और हाथ में हाथ लेके घूम रहे थे.
That's what I'm saying ना.
So my frustration was कि मैं अंदर क्या कर रहा था?
क्या कर रहा? नहीं, see, I'm not blaming the healthcare workers or.
No, but I know what you're saying. Yeah, I get what you're saying.
It's right from I'm telling you right from a common man till the topmost person in bureaucracy or healthcare sector.
Yes.
Everyone is responsible, na. And I'm not just telling this in just view of this corona pandemic. I'm saying why the Indians are behind any developed countries.
Yes.
Why you cannot just compete with the China. The China where this pandemic was started, their still today's count is 82,000 people, where India single day count we are crossing more than 82,000.
More than 90. Which is sad reality.
Yes, sad reality, na.
Yeah.
So it's not only healthcare system, any system is not built by one person or cannot be run by one person or two person sitting at top. It is the devotion, contribution
of every person in that line.
In that line. Then only will be succeed.
Nice.
So as a organization head, I'm just trying who are working with me to align them and making them aware in every meeting why you are important, why your contribution is important. Realizing that slowly they are changing. The nurse, which usually if you have seen there is drastic improvement in the patient care in hospital. If you see even in the COVID,
Yeah.
which Raya today.
So
I
मेरे को
had
लगता है
a-
कि इतने दिन से ना there was a gap between the administration and the people who are on ground working. So I don't know कि if treatment standards have improved, but I think that inhibition कि I can approach the administration अगर मेरे को कोई problem है वो गिरा है, जिसकी वजह से हर आदमी काम कर रहा है. If you think the interns are working is because मेरे को intern बोलता है, tutor को intern बोलता है कि मेरे पास राहुल सर का नंबर है, कुछ प्रॉब्लम होगा तो मैं पीपी के बारे में बोल दूंगा.
right.
So he has that. He doesn't have that inhibition कि I can't approach someone up in the order.
Correct.
So if the person up in the order changes, which is you right now, the people down also start changing. And that is just my experience of what I've seen the interns do.
True.
Okay, बहुत ज़्यादा serious हो गया. ठीक है? Will
So nobody see if I am a doctor, at least not for leave apart from all other problems, whatever expectation, but at least a person when he is dying in front of you, at least your moral should say, please go and help that person.
So were you a big fan of APJ Abdul Kalam?
Yes, I was.
Yeah, because he said A, B, C of development. A is Indian economy, GDP.
Correct.
B is get the poor up.
Up.
And C is morals and your upbringing and sanskar. If you get all of these three, India goes up.
True.
Nice. Thank you so much, sir. This was wonderful.
Just one.